Hello my dear guest. Today I want to show you how you can easily add titles to your application. This approach will only work with Angular 14 and above. Let me show why you need these titles. If you don't have titles, your history will look something like this. It will be the same for the whole application, even if you navigate to different pages. And it's not very user-friendly. But if you set up your titles, it will be different and it will be much easier to navigate if the user wants to come back to the page. And it's quite easy to do with Angular 14. So first you navigate to your roots and you just add title. And let's say it will be customer. So now when we navigate to our customer page, you will see it changed, and also when we navigate to a different page, it added it to the history as a customer, and it's quite useful. Another way also, you can redefine all the titles in your application if you need it. For example, if you create application for different companies and you want to change that to the company's name. So let me show you how you can do it. First, you will need to create a service. We will say it's custom title, and it will automatically add service. In this custom title service, it needs to extend title strategy. Because we are extending, we need to call super in the constructor so we can use all the methods, and we need to define update title function. Also in constructor we will need title service to update the title. Because Angular team was so fantastic that it actually built a special function to get the title from this root snapshot. It's so you don't have to do it yourself. You can get the title by using this build title and pass snapshot equals. And if there is no title, we'll just return. No need to go. But if we have a title, then we can change for the whole application. So we will call this title service, set title, and now let's use add. For example, we have awesome company, and let's pass our title. Because we have the service, now we need to redefine our title strategy service for our custom title service. Let's navigate to the app modules, and here in providers we will say provide title strategy, but we will define use class our custom title service. And now, when we go to our customer, you can see it will be automatically added this awesome customer. So it's quite useful. And the last thing with titles, you can use resolver to pass into title if you need it. For example, if you get the page name from the backend. To do it, we will need a service, and we will say this is title resolver service. And in title resolver, we will need function reserve that will return promise and resolve, and let's name it something. Second, let's name it very important customer. And now we can use this title reserve service in our routing and change it. So now when we go back to our application, you see it changes to very important customer, but this is very important. It still will add awesome from the our custom title strategy service. So you need to keep this in mind. And that's it. Make small changes every day and you will see big results in the end. Have a great day. Bye.